Yo guys, welcome back to my channel Techmoin Mixa. So guys, as we all know that most of the countries suffering from COVID-19. So we can we can give a little bit donation for fighting against Corona. COVID-19 with donating our less amount of PC and Android device power. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
You should take it slow.
So guys, let's get started. So first you need to open your Chrome browser and search for Boinc, and you will get the first link on link boing.berkeley.edu, and now you need to click on download Boinc. You can also install it in your Ubuntu based devices or Linux based devices. I have Windows, so I am installing this into my Windows. Now after downloading, you need to open the setup, and this type of setup will come, and then you need to click on next. I accept the terms and in the license agreement. Next install. So it will take a while installing. It is copying file and backing up old files, and now you need to click on launch Boeing Manager. Now for what I say that Boeing Manager has installed now, through which we need to donate our PC's power. We can go and write Rosetta at home. Now you will get first link on Boink original websites. Now click on it and then click on join Rosetta at home. Now you need to copy this URL, Control C, and now you need to click on add project and paste the link here and click on next. I have already added the project, so it is showing that you have already added the project. Now it will download the file from server. It will take some time, and after it automatically uses your PC's power to fight against COVID-19. So what the software actually does, it take a small amount of your PC's power and transfer them to the server, so that the server can fastly make the protein of COVID-19 and test on it, according to my theory. So let's now see the steps of mobile phone, that how we can do it from mobile phones. So now I have come on my mobile phone and click on home button. Now you need to open your Play Store and click on search Boinc. Now you will see that Boinc. Now click on install, accept. Now it starts installing. I have custom ROM, so therefore it downloading shows in the status bar. Okay, so wait few minutes more. Guys, if you have any old PC, any old mobile phone that uh, uh, on that you don't do any work, such type of work, main work, so you can use it for giving some power of or your PC to fight against coronavirus. So click on OK and click on exit, open. Now here we see first link, Rosetta at home. Click on it and click on continue. Now you have to provide your email ID, so I will write my email. uh, so you need to click on continue. Now here the steps come. How to contribute: connect to Wi-Fi, plug in the charger, turn off the screen. So the app start its working. Now click on continue. You can change the preferences by going to clicking on this three icon and click on preferences. Now you will see the options that power source consumption. You can choose your battery, but guys, remember one thing: if you use it as a battery, so you will not able to do some of the work on your mobile phone, because what I say, because it consumes lots of CPU power. So I prefer you to use only on charger. So that is for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you really want to help universities to find the medicines of COVID-19 more faster and accurately, so please install these apps. These are available for Linux, Mac OS, Windows, Android, and iOS as well. So that is for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, and if any problem occurs, comment. Don't forget to comment me. So bye for now.